Chris here at Vita Solare, and it's a great day in Naples, Florida. This is a video about how to use the pool. So the first thing is, if you want to know the pool temperature, there is a little floating thermostat that will tell you. In this case, you can see the pool is 86 degrees. So we normally try to keep it at 85, but especially in the winter, but in the summer, solar radiation heats it up more, so it may get up to 90, even 91, 92. So we try to keep it in the mid 80s just to keep it refreshing. The pool also has a pool filler, so please don't touch or move this. This keeps the pool level about halfway or more up the skimmer box, and that's where the pool level should be. So it has an automatic float and a fill valve, so it keeps the pool full. The pool will run anywhere from 8 hours a day or more with the pool filter, the pool pump, and when the pool pump is running, you'll see this waterfall right here. If it's not running, that's okay, because the pool is on a schedule. So to use the pool, you have to do nothing. But if you want to use the spa, let's go inside. And we have an app and an Amazon Fire tablet that allows you to control the pool. Okay, so here on the counter is the Amazon Fire tablet. If you just come to the left side, there's a power button about halfway down. You can press it. You can swipe up, and the passcode is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4, 5, 6. So, okay, I'm going to go back here for a minute. So on the home screen, you will see an application called iAqualink. You want to touch that, and it will launch the Aqualink application. When it loads, you'll see Aqualink here with a little green dot. So you click that, and it will bring you into the pool screen. You can see it's telling you right now the air temp is 99, the pool temp is 87, and the spa is off. So please don't adjust any of these settings. The only setting you can adjust is the spa temperature. If it's too hot, you can tap right here on the heat setting. Make sure you select spa temp up here, not pool temp, and then you could go up or down with it. Right now 103, so we have it on the hottest setting it is. So if that was too hot for kids or something, you could hit the minus button here down to whatever temperature you wanted, and then you would hit save up top. Okay? I'm gonna set it back to 103 and hit save. So please just don't ever touch the pool temperature settings. So to turn on the spa, the easiest way is to go down here to One Touch, and then you can see on the screen there is spa mode. What you'll want to do is you'll want to tap this indicator right here, and when you do that, it will go back to the main screen here, and you'll see it refreshed and it turned on spa mode and spa heater. So what will happen is the waterfall at the pool area will stop, and it will then heat up the spa to your desired temperature. It's really important to make sure the pool chemicals stay balanced, that when you're done with spa mode, you go back to One Touch here, and you turn spa mode off. To turn spa mode off, you just go touch the dial again at One Touch, and you'll notice the screen will refresh, and just the filter pump for the pool will be on. Now, if it was the winter, and we needed the pool heater would also be on as well. So that's how to use the pool system. The only other thing is down here in equipment. If you want to use the pool lights, tap equipment, and you have aux 1, aux 2, and aux 3. Aux 1 is the jets for the spa. So if you want to turn the jets on, you tap aux 1. Aux 2 is the pool light, and aux 3 is the spa light. So if you want to turn those on and off, you can adjust those. Also, while you're using the pool at night, it's fun. I guess I can't show you now because it's the day, but it's fun to use the party lights, and there is a remote outside that I'll show you here. So at night, you can use the pool party lights. Here's the remote. And you can change the color to anything you want. You can play with it. And you can see the LEDs up on those pool posts there that light up. So that's how to use the pool and spa. at Villa Vita Solare.